Hi students, very good morning to you all. Students, already I told in last sessions, because of COVID-19 we have to maintain social distance and also we have to protect ourselves from COVID-19. So with the means of this video, today we have to go ahead. Students, whatever we learnt in last session, we have to revise first. So students of standard 8 English medium, please keep book in your hand and you will pay attention whatever we learnt in last session and now today what we are going to learn. Okay, let little bit first revise it. See students, here I have written what we learnt. Okay, see, in last session we learnt ete and te. Ete and te used for male form and used in plural form. Okay, more than two, at that time we have to use ete and te. Ete used for near and te used for far when male form in plural. Okay, then we learnt etaha and taha. Etaha used for female form when any female form near in plural form, at that time we have to use etaha. Okay students, and taha used for female form when any female form in plural far from us, at that time we have to use taha in Sanskrit. These two topics, ete, te, etaha, te, we learnt in last session. Now today students we have to learn another topics. Let's keep book in your hand and pay attention. Here we have to solve it. Students, see, etani means this. Etani used for neuter form. Okay, in last session we learnt about male form, female form. Now today we have to learn about neuter form. Etani means this. Etani used for neuter form when near in plural form. Okay, here you can see tani. Okay, tani means those and tani used for neuter form, non-living when far in plural form. Okay students, another thing we learnt, okay, vayam means we, and here yum means you. These two topics also we have to learn today. Okay, we have to solve this. See here, etani means this. Here etani pustakani. Okay, when any neuter form turn into plural, at that time ani word have to put. Okay, so etani means students, what we have to write here? This. Etani, that means this, and with this we have to use here are. These are, and pustakani means books. Okay, these are books. We have to write here as plural form. Understood? Next, etani chitrani. Etani means this. Okay, and these are. These are. Chitrani means pictures. Okay, chitrani, that means pictures. Etani means these, and with these here have to use are. Next, etani patrani. Etani means this, and with these are. These are, and patrani means utensil. Okay, and vessels also we can use there. These are vessels this way also, and these are utensils also we can say students. These are the sentences belong to the etani pustakani, means these are books. Etani chitrani, these are pictures. Etani patrani, these are utensils. Okay, understood students? Now next, this side, tani means those. Tani used for neuter form when far in plural. Okay, See here, tani. Tani means those. Okay, and with those have to use are. Those are, and pustakani means books. Those are books. Understood? Downside, tani chitrani means those are, and chitrani means pictures. Pictures. Full stop. Okay. Tani pustakani means those are books. Tani chitrani means those are pictures. Downside, tani patrani. Tani means those, and patrani here plural, so with those are, and patrani means utensils. Okay students, this way we can write these sentences etani and tani, and these used for neuter forms. Near in plural neuter form, at that time we have to use etani, and far neuter form in plural we have to use tani. This is the concept. Okay. Next, vayam and yuyam. See, vayam means we. Vayam means we, means more than two. At that time in Sanskrit we have to use vayam. Okay. For example, two person at that time avam. More than two means 3, 4, 5. At that time in Sanskrit we have to use vayam, means we, all. This also we can say. Downside, yuyam means you, means okay, more than 2 means 3, 4, 5. At that time in Sanskrit have to use yuyam. Okay, and 1 and 2 having at that time tvam have to use. Remember, see, vayam shikshakaha means we are teachers. Okay, we are teachers. Here we can write like this also in Sanskrit. We all are teachers. This way also we can write. Vayam balakaha means we are boys. We are boys or we are children. That way also we can write, students. Okay. Vayam mahila. Vayam means we are, and mahila means woman. We are women. Understood? Downside, these are the sentences belong to vayam, and downside yuyam means you. See, yuyam sainikaha means you are soldiers. You are soldiers. Here yuyam balakaha means you are boys. You are children. Okay, this way we can write sentences. Another sentence also you can see, students. Last sentence, yuyam balikaha means you are girls. This way we can write these sentences. One time I am going to repeat. If any doubt, then clear it. Today we learnt etani and tani. Okay, etani means this, tani means those. Etani used for neuter form when near more than 2 means in plural. Tani used for neuter form when far more than 2 means 3, 4, 5 means in plural. Okay. Here vayam means we all, means more than 2. At that time we have to use vayam in Sanskrit. Okay. Vayam shikshakaha, vayam chhatraha. This way we can write. Yuyam means you. These also use more than 2 means plural. Okay. You are teachers. Okay. Means yuyam shikshakaha. Okay. Then yuyam vaidaha means you are doctors. This way also we can write sentences. So students, today let's refer these topics in your notebook and take care. Thank you.